How to fix OTR2 download or update issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If OTR2 does not download, install or update from the Google Play Store on your device, then don't worry. The first thing you can do is to go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Open up your device's settings app and then look for the Wi-Fi option. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, and once you do, head back to the game and see if it works. And once you do, go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and try downloading OTR2. If the problem still persists, then the next thing you want to do is to check your storage space. Get back to the Settings app. Inside Settings, look for the About button. Since I'm using tablet, I'm just going to tap on About Tablet. Now you'll see the storage option where you'll find your storage space. If the storage is low, delete unused app, photo, or file. Then try downloading again. And once you do that, you might be able to fix the issue. If you want to free up some spaces, find this Free Up button and click on it and let the cleaner run so that it can delete any cache data or files. You can also try deleting any unused application. If you don't use it, then why keep it? Just delete them from your system or uninstall them and you'll be able to get some storage back. Soon after you do that, you can get back to your Google Play Store or App Store and try downloading the OTR2 game again. And after you do those, you might be able to fix your problem. If it still does not work, then you can also try updating your Android. If you're using an outdated version of your Android, then it can sometimes prevent app from downloading or updating. So make sure that you have the updated version of your Android device. Check if it is updated or not. If there is any update yet to be downloaded, go ahead and do that. And once you update your operating system, you might be able to fix the issue. So those were some of the troubleshooting steps you can take if download or update issues is going on while using OTR2 application on your Android. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.